to fix this sign-in option is disabled because of failed sign-in attempts. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, if you have forgotten your password, you can reset your sign-in password from the sign-in screen. To confirm the authenticity of the user, Windows will need you to answer the security questions correctly to perform a reset. On the login screen, type any password and hit enter. Windows will show the password as incorrect. Click OK. Then next, click the reset password option available there. Now you must answer the 3 security questions and press enter. If the password is correct, a password reset option will appear. Enter your new password and then re-enter the password to confirm the same and press enter to sign into your user account. After a successful login, you can reset your PIN, disable the sign-in attempt threshold, and check the user profile configuration to see if your account is disabled. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.